Alright folks, picture this. The cheapest Tesla in America. Intriguing, right? Well, I bought it. And let me tell you, it's been quite the experience. Yep, I snagged what might just be the most affordable Tesla on the market today. But, as you might expect, there's a lot more to this story than just the price tag. Because let's be real, it's not all smooth autopilot from here. In fact, it's been a bumpy road and I'm here to share every twist and turn with you. Buckle up, because this is one wild ride. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. So I hear you asking, how cheap are we talking? How about $19,000? That's right, less than the cost of a brand new Honda Civic. But of course, there's a catch. And when I say catch, I mean a whole list of them. When I say cheapest, I mean it. This isn't some lightly used, pristine Tesla. Oh no, this is a 2013 Tesla Model S with over 150,000 miles on it. Yeah, it's been around the block, or more accurately, around 1,000 blocks. This car has seen some serious action, and it shows. From the outside, it might look like a Tesla, but under the hood, or rather, under the battery pack, it's a different story. Now let's talk about what's wrong with it, because oh boy, there's a list. First up, the battery. The range? A disappointing 150 miles on a full charge. That's less than what some modern gas cars can do on a single tank, and it's a far cry from the 265 miles it boasted when it was brand new. Range anxiety is real, folks. And when you're driving a car with a battery this old, it's something you think about constantly. Next, the interior. It's seen better days. The seats, torn and worn out, the touchscreen, glitchy and unreliable. It's like stepping into a time capsule, one that's falling apart. And let's not forget the infamous Tesla door handles. Yeah, some of them don't even work. Imagine trying to get into your car and realizing the handle won't budge. Gotta love crawling in through the passenger side. It's a workout and a test of patience all in one. But here's the kicker, the repair costs. Owning a Tesla on a budget isn't as simple as grabbing a cheap set of wheels. A replacement battery alone can cost upwards of $10,000. That's more than half the price of the car itself. And that's just the battery. Factor in other potential repairs, and you're looking at a hefty bill. So, was it worth it? Well, that depends. If you're a die-hard Tesla fan, or you've got skills with a wrench and a lot of patience, this could be a fun project. But for the average driver looking for a reliable EV, maybe not. This car is more of a fixer-upper than a daily driver. Here's my takeaway. Sometimes, you get what you pay for. The cheapest Tesla in America might sound exciting, but it comes with its fair share of challenges. So, if you're in the market for an EV, think beyond the sticker price. Consider the long-term costs and the condition of the car. Do your research and know what you're getting into. Because while Teslas are amazing cars, not all of them are created equal. Thanks for joining me on this electrifying adventure. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, drive safe and maybe steer clear of bargain Teslas.